From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Hey folks, good evening. Hope you enjoyed this kind of sleepy end to our week. It was rainy to start. We had a few lingering showers and those overcast skies, but we're going to mostly just have overcast conditions through tonight. Lows rather in the 50s. Our highs today weren't much different, so we're not seeing a lot of very big spread as far as temperatures are concerned, mainly due to the fact that we're continuing with that wind sharply out of the south, 5 to 10 miles an hour through tonight. That's that warm, moist air lifting into the Tennessee Valley from the Gulf of Mexico. This is the culprit for that warming trend tomorrow and those storm chances that are going to be moving in as a result. So as we start the day out, we're going to be all right here through the first half of the day and into the morning, but check it out. By the time we're heading through the afternoon, already some showers, maybe even some heavy downpours moving in by the afternoon here. This is kind of round one. Then as we head through the later afternoon near sunset into the evening, here it comes. Lots of heavy downpours, thunderstorm activity moving in. You can see what I'm talking about here. This is mainly going to be, as far as the strong to severe storms are concerned, an overnight event after sunset and probably before midnight or so. Notice as we head through about 10, 11 o'clock, it's pushing east, but nevertheless, that's our situation. So as we head through the late afternoon, that's whenever the more intense storms move in, and those intense storms could take one of two paths. One, the storm energy, the instability, as we call it, could be kind of more relegated off to I-22 and south and west, that Corridor X area down there, which would kind of limit the intensity of the storms up here. Now, don't be mistaken. Any way you swing it, we're going to get thunderstorms, perhaps quite a few of them. Some of them could be strong. We're talking winds 30, 40 miles an hour, maybe some, like I said, very heavy downpours, lots of very frequent lightning. Could be that loud type of lightning, too, that kind of shakes your windows because of that reverberation through the overnight that we hear sometimes. But if that energy does make it to the Tennessee Valley, we could see some of those storms be on the severe side. That's winds 50, 60 miles an hour, and maybe one or two of those storms could produce a tornado warning or two. So we'll have to watch that. But notice I'm not saying there's going to be a ton of tornadoes. There's going to be a huge outbreak. Nothing like that, right? We're not seeing indications of that right now. So just stay with the Tennessee Valley Weather Team. Over the next day or so, we'll keep you updated as to how this evolves, and this can and will probably change, right? These systems evolve very quickly because you got to keep in mind, this is literally trying to predict the future here. So like I said, don't worry too much about it. Leave that to us. We'll translate that to you. But nevertheless, looks like as we head through tomorrow, overnight, like I said, sunset and beyond, probably ending around midnight or a little later, that's the time frame to watch for some strong to possibly severe weather across the area. But it's December. We get these active patterns. We're no stranger to it. That much is for sure. Now it's out of here by the time we're heading through Sunday. Notice as we head through Sunday, a few wrapping showers are possible in the morning to midday hours. That's out of here. Monday looks pretty much fine. I think we're going to have a good day there. Then as we head through Tuesday, another small system wraps around and we catch a few stray showers from that. But otherwise, I think next week the main story is going to be those temperatures cooling back down. So over the next few days, we're picking up quite a bit of rainfall. Already we've picked up about an inch or two at times, largely inch and a half or so. Check it out here. This next system coming through tomorrow, 2-3 inches of rain, isolated spots even higher than that. So 3-4 inches of rain are possible in very, very isolated spots. So among the other reasons that we have for concern, possibility for strong to severe storms, we could also be talking some isolated areas of maybe some ponding on roads, things like that. So let's just keep that in mind here as we hit over the next 24 to 36 hours. All right, let's see what that looks like on the 7-day here. As I was talking about next week, look at that. Much better week. Now, it is going to be colder. Check out that cool down. We go from the 60s to the 50s to the 40s, kind of chronologically speaking over the next few days pretty quickly. I mean, check out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're back to the 40s there, lows in the 20s. So it's going to be nice out there, but cool. But first, we got to get through what we have over the next 24 to 36 hours, which again is that chance for the possibility of some severe weather and some strong storms across the area. Going to be a little unsettled, so stay with the Tennessee Valley Weather Team. We'll let you know how the forecast evolves.